Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS4150i. I'm going to give you information of the control panel. This is on button. You turn the power on or off. Before turning the power on, make sure the document cover is closed. So this is on button. You also have a light on lamp, lights after flashing when the power is turned on. This button is wireless connect button, and also you have wireless connect lamp lights while setting up the Wi-Fi. So this is wireless connect button, and this button is Wi-Fi button, and also you have Wi-Fi lamp lights when Wi-Fi is enabled. So you can see that the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. This button is for you to switch the Wi-Fi on or off. This button is Wi-Fi button, switches between Wi-Fi and wireless direct, or enable or disable them. Each time you press the Wi-Fi button, the setting switches. So this is Wi-Fi button, and you will see lamp here, and this lamp shows that the paper is on A4. And if you press this button, this is paper select. If you press it, you go to A4. If you select it again, you go to LTR later. If you select it again, you go to 4x6 paper. If you select it again, it goes to this lamp, and then you select OK to confirm the paper. So this is paper select A4, then you select OK. Once you select the A4, it will start to flash, but you need to select OK to confirm it. So this is paper select lamp, and this is the paper select button. And this button is for you to copy black, start black and white copying, etc. And this one is start color copying, etc. And this button is stop button, cancel operation when printing or copying or scanning job is in progress. You can also press and hold the stop button to perform maintenance or configure the device. So this is stop button. And also you have lamp, ink lamp, light is or flashes when ink run out, etc. The upper lamp indicates black, so light here indicate black ink, and the C indicates color fine ink cartridges. And also you have this QR code, enable you to view the online manual to learn how to check the safety of the printer. So this is QR code. You scan the QR code, you use your phone, scan the QR code. So let's say if you go to your phone, you select the QR code, select QR code and scan it, then open link. It will take you to, for you to view via App Store or Google Play Store, checking the state of printer using smartphone. Then you select Google Play. For example, the printer is connected via Canon Print, so open Canon Print. Then it will show you the status of the printer, that the printer is online. So this is how to scan the QR code, and it will take you for you to go to Play Store or App Store to select Canon Print app, and you see the status that the printer is online. And from this app, you can do so many things. You can print document, you can scan and copy. What I want to do is to show you how to detach the cover. What you need to do is you need to open the cover. So pull it back to remove it. Then to put the cover back. So to remove it, pull it back. So pull it up to put the cover back. So you can remove the cover just like we did. Then to put it back, go in, So this is how to remove the cover, attach or deattach the paper cover. Thank you.